teacher, my name is Diana Clavijo. Then I will present my video of being a client. Okay, are you ready? What would you like to order? I think I'm going to order roast turkey. Okay, as a side dish, we have coconut rice, green salad, and patatas. Okay, I prefer to order green salad. Okay, and would you like nothing to drive? I guess I will have a glass of wine. Would you like anything else? Yes, I would like something later. Thank you. Okay, later. Would you like some dessert? Yes, I would like a plum. What flavor would you like? Mm, I want it with strawberry flavor. Okay, I will press it immediately. Okay, finish. Thank you, teacher. Bye.